Guys, can you hear the birds? That is lovely. Having some nature around you, I love that. I'm currently shooting on the Sony a7 III, and if you watched my video yesterday, I did some comparison between this camera with the 1635, which I'm filming on right now, and the Sony a6400.
And you remember when me and you we used to be so in love.
If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you watch that before watching this, or watch this and then go back and watch the other one. Either way, what I did notice is that there was some issues with the autofocus, and I wanted to quickly address that. And the autofocus, I mean, for the Sony a7 III. And I thought I did something wrong, right? I didn't understand what was going on. So I did a bit of a research, and I found that basically when you plug in an external monitor, that you lose the face detection and autofocus. Doesn't make any sense to me. This camera has no flip screen, and yet you lose the autofocus face detection for the autofocus when you plug in an external monitor. That doesn't make any sense. The only solution apparently, and I'm not an expert, I only researched that, is that when you attach an external monitor / recorder, then it will be fixed. So I'm not sure what to think about that. Is there anybody who can help me? Is there anybody who can help me out there? I tell you what, if you are into vlogging or something run and gun, then the Sony a7 III is probably not for you. And that's kind of my sentiment from that yesterday's video. I just don't understand why you need to rig out the whole thing like that. It is probably the best camera for a videographer or somebody who's doing films and filmmaking, and who basically also spends the money on an external recorder and has all that rig available. And this really got me thinking, if you're looking into buying a Sony camera, I probably would wait. I probably would wait what is coming out this year, because there's probably a camera coming out that will fix a lot of these issues. They are still a fantastic value for what they are, but I just don't, my logical brain, my logical mind does not understand that when you do not have a flippy screen and you can't see yourself, I'm just looking at the reflection of the ND filter to make sure I am kind of in focus. However, yet you plug in an external monitor, that you lose that face detection ability. And I don't know, doesn't make any sense to me. I can tell you that as a vlogging camera, as a vlogging setup, it's probably not for me, because it is heavy as
Been feeling like I'm not knowing. Lately I'm craving the drinking and smoking. Lately my thoughts have been darker, I see it. Lately I'm tired and I'm feeling broken. Met up with Shawty.